Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to buy IPOs or see upcoming IPOs in Zerodha app, or if you are using browser or using an app in your mobile, Kite app. So what you have to do is the procedure is same. So what you have to do is, first of all, click on your username, and now you have to click on console. When you click on console, you will see here. Now click on portfolio. Here you will see IPOs. Click on IPOs. When you click on IPOs, you will see here all the ongoing IPOs are here, and here you will see minimum quantity and price range. Madhobag, Richa, Manyavar are all are closed. So if you want to see upcoming IPOs, here you will see check upcoming IPOs. Click on it, and here you will see all the upcoming IPOs. LIC to be announced, Oyo, Pena Cement Industries, Fine Care Small Finance, Lava International, Go First, Go Airlines, Ruchi Soya, all are these upcoming IPOs. So like this you can see upcoming IPOs in Zerodha. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.